What's up, everybody? It's your boy Honcho Daff FPV, back at it again with a new video. So today is a very fun day. I finally got something that I've been waiting for a very long time. So I'm very excited, as y'all can tell. This was purchased from, of course, Race A Quads, one of my favorite drone park supplier stores, I should say. But I'm going to be doing an unboxing. This is live, so as you guys can see, I haven't did this all real time. I'm going to unbox this, and I'm going to give a review of the product. I'm going to talk about it a little bit. I'm going to show you some clips of me using the product, and that's pretty much it. So I hope everybody enjoys. I don't know if you guys can tell what that is, but got some other shindigs. The batteries are right here. I'm like, well, hold on, where's my batteries? There they go. Ooh, these are small. Wow. I don't know, man. I hope I bought the right battery. Shit, this shit is little as hell. I don't know. We're gonna see this bad boy. Oh my god, it's even smaller. Holy smokes, what kind of batteries are these? I've never seen batteries that look like this. I'm kind of new to some of these things, guys. I know a lot of you probably like this shit been out, but this is the first time I ever seen a battery that looks like this. It looks like, what is this, a XT30 connector? Very interesting. Alright, moving on. Let's see, how am I gonna do this? I'm just gonna go commando with it. Alright! The moment we've all been waiting for. What's in the box? What is in the box? What is in the box, I say? A little drone. Baby. Oh man. A very special drone at that. A drone I've heard great things about. Now, I've always been hesitant to get these little 3-inch quads because I find myself having so much fun with them that I don't ever fly my big baby, my real baby, a 6-inch. Because these little guys are just so much more convenient to fly different areas. I can just literally walk downstairs where I live. There's a yard outside. I could just go to the yard and fly there. I don't have to worry about people. I don't have to worry about that. When you're flying a 6-inch drone, you gotta worry about a lot of things because you don't want to kill somebody, you know? This little guy is not killing no one. Boy, this is freaking sexy, yo. This is not. But in real life, this is a sexy drone. Boy, did Geprc outdo themselves with this. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Oh my god. We got some straps. It's always good when they send a few extra straps. Props, I was wondering where these things were. Little props, nice. Not too special. Let me stop the video. The next part, I will be flying this bad boy, testing it out, live action. And then after I test it out, I will come back and let you know my opinions. Peace. What's up, everybody? It's your boy. I'm back after doing a little test flying. Let me just start off by saying this thing is absolutely amazing. These 3-inch drones, I really think, changed the game, man. Like, I mean, they don't fly quite as well as the bigger drones, but the freedom that you get is just remarkable. Like, you can really push the limits. You don't have to worry about breaking anything. You know, a saying that I like to say with these little 3-inch drones is, you'll lose it before you break something. Like, you'll lose this drone flying over a tree or crashing into a tree or something before you will break apart on a drone this small. So it allows you to really have a lot of fun when you're flying. There's none I can really say, man. The only thing I can kind of nitpick on this is maybe the battery straps is a little annoying. It's a little weird. Maybe I would have said get some type of better battery strap. But that's really me just nitpicking. This thing, I'm so impressed, and it's gonna be hard to go back to my 6-inch. I mean, obviously I am gonna get bored, you know, flying this around, and then I will go back. But these things are just so fun and so convenient. Like, look how small this is. I can almost put this in my pocket. Like, it's so easy. And then, like I said before, you don't have to worry about killing anybody when you're flying. So I don't want to make this video too long. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Everybody stay safe. Have a great day. Peace.